Composting is one of the most beneficial practices that a homesteader can undertake. By transforming food scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil, composting not only helps reduce waste, but also creates a valuable resource for gardening and farming. In this essay, we will explore the various benefits of composting for homesteading and why someone should consider incorporating it into their homesteading practices. First and foremost, composting is an environmentally friendly practice that helps reduce waste. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, food scraps and yard waste make up about 30% of what we throw away in the United States. Instead of sending these materials to a landfill, where they take up space and release harmful greenhouse gases as they decompose, composting allows for their transformation into nutrient-rich soil. This not only reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills but also helps reduce the carbon footprint of a homesteading operation. In addition to being environmentally friendly, composting also offers many benefits for gardening and farming. Compost is a natural fertilizer that provides essential nutrients and microorganisms to the soil. It helps retain moisture, improves soil structure, and promotes healthy plant growth. By adding compost to their gardens and farms, homesteaders can improve the overall health and productivity of their crops. Composting is also a cost-effective way to manage waste and reduce the need for store-bought fertilizers. Instead of purchasing fertilizers and soil amendments, homesteaders can create their own high-quality compost for free. By reducing the need for store-bought fertilizers, composting can help save money in the long run. Moreover, composting can be tailored to fit the specific needs of a homesteading operation. Different materials can be added to the compost pile to create a custom mix of nutrients for different types of plants. For example, nitrogen-rich materials such as vegetable scraps, grass clippings, and manure can be added to the compost pile to help promote leafy growth, while carbon-rich materials such as leaves and straw can be added to promote root growth. Composting is also a simple and low-maintenance practice that can be easily integrated into a homesteading routine. All that is needed is a compost bin or pile and organic waste materials. The compost pile can be turned occasionally to promote decomposition, and water can be added as needed to keep the pile moist. With a little effort, homesteaders can create a steady supply of nutrient-rich compost for their gardens and farms. Furthermore, composting is an excellent way to promote soil health and biodiversity. The microorganisms that thrive in compost also help break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more available to plants. By improving soil health, composting can help reduce the need for pesticides and other chemicals that can harm beneficial insects and wildlife. By promoting biodiversity, composting can also help create a healthier ecosystem overall. Finally, composting is a way for homesteaders to close the loop on their food system. By transforming waste into a valuable resource, homesteaders can create a more sustainable and self-sufficient food system. Composting allows for the reuse of nutrients, reducing the need for external inputs and promoting a more holistic approach to food production. In conclusion, composting is a beneficial practice for homesteaders in many ways. From reducing waste to improving soil health and promoting sustainability, composting offers many benefits that can help improve the overall health and productivity of a homesteading operation. By incorporating composting into their routine, homesteaders can create a valuable resource for their gardens and farms, while also reducing their environmental impact and promoting a more sustainable and self-sufficient food system.